So guys, for the first step, you want to click on the sound icon in the bottom right of your taskbar, and then you want to click on this right here. You want to make sure that on the output device, you have your Bluetooth device actually selected. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you just want to scroll down a little bit until you find Bluetooth support service. You want to double click on this, and then you'll change your startup type to automatic, and then click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. But if you got to this stage and it was already on automatic and it was already running, then you want to click on restart the service. And now for the Bluetooth user support, you want to double click on it. Make sure that the startup type is still on manual, so keep it on manual, and then click on start, which will make it running. Click on OK, and now you want to restart the service. And you might as well just restart these first two services as well. Just restart them as well. And now for the third step, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to have something that's called Bluetooth. I don't have it because I'm using a virtual machine, but you're going to have Bluetooth. So once you find Bluetooth, you just want to expand it, and then you want to find your Bluetooth device. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure they have the best drivers for your device installed. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Now once you're on this, for you it's going to be saying check for updates. So you want to click on check for updates and do the updates the computer may have. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And then you want to scroll down and then find Bluetooth. You want to click on run. Then you want to open this up. And now you want to click on yes and follow all the steps, and it'll try to fix your problem. Now once you complete all the steps in the video, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.